Welcome to this OpenText Filr video on multi-factor authentication for your LDAP users. My name's Robin Redgrave. I'm a solutions consultant based out of the UK. With Filr Advanced, or indeed if you've got the Filr Power external user license, you have the capability to use multi-factor authentication, and as an entitlement you do have a license for Advanced Authentication Limited, so there's no additional license cost for this capability if you're going to be using authentication methods such as email one-time password, SMS one-time password, or time-based one-time password. If you want to have additional authentication methods like facial recognition or smartphone push or geofencing, then you can of course use the full advanced authentication product, but there would be a license cost for that. Let's just have a look at this working. So I'll just authenticate here as myself, and you can see here in this instance, because I've got all three main authentication methods set up, it's prompting me what authentication method do I want to use. I have options here for email, SMS or TOTP. If you've only got one of those enabled, then this dialog doesn't come up, it will just go straight into prompting you. So let me just start with showing you email one-time password authentication. Let me just click next on this. You can see here it's prompting me for the one-time password that it's sent to my email address, and in a moment we'll get the pop-up telling me that that message has been delivered. There we go. Let me just open that mail message, and let's just take that one-time password and I'll paste that in here, and you can see there I am. I've authenticated happily enough to Filr. Let's just log out and show you the other methods. So here, let's just make this smaller so you can see my phone. There we go. And here I'll just authenticate again as myself. But this time I will take the option for SMS one-time password. So here, and then just click next, and you should see that SMS message arrive. There we go. If I just open that up and have a look there, I've got my SMS down the bottom. That's going to be 186764, and hit return, and there we go. I've managed to authenticate. Let's just sign out and show you using the TOTP. So let's just come back to the main screen here and come on here. So this time round, again, I'll authenticate and I'll select the option for TOTP. So with TOTP I can use a number of apps on my phone, and these are all available from your app store. So here I've got the NetIQ authentication app. You can also see I've got the Google Authenticator there. I also have the Microsoft Authenticator there. Any one of those can be registered to give me the correct number. Let's just take the Microsoft Authenticator in this instance, and you can see there that's got a number 482688. If I hit return, there we are, I've managed to authenticate. So you can see there how I can authenticate in a number of different ways using the Advanced Authentication Limited that is given as an entitlement to Filr Advanced. Thank you for listening. I hope you found this useful.